Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the 3-way valve assembly. This precise one takes care of delivering water through the group head, through the hot water one and through the steam. So anytime you press these switches, you're basically activating this little valve over here that you see here. So yeah, this one takes the whole load of the machine, and this was not letting water flow freely to the group head, steamer one, or any other places that I just mentioned. So we had to replace the whole assembly. As you see, it's a whole assembly itself. We also replaced this 2-way valve. This one is for discharging the back pressure coming out from the group head. So whenever you do coffee, water comes through here, goes through the other side, and goes through this part. It starts pressurizing, and then once it finishes doing the brewing process, it opens up this other valve where it discharges through this hose. So yeah, this one takes the entire load of the machine. So we replace that one at the machine, and now we're gonna be doing a shot of espresso. Then we're gonna be running hot water and then steam. Now we're using the number 4 setting of this grinder. We're using our test coffee as well, and we're using a single basket portafilter.
Yeah. Take a little scratch. I mean, not that you see the scratches, I guess. No. But I think we should do something. Yeah. And we can put exactly
And now let's do that espresso shot. Now we have not programmed any of the quantities of these buttons, so they're still the exact same way the customer programmed them. So they, as you can see, we're having a nice espresso coming out of this machine. Espresso range going all the gauge is going all the way to the espresso range, and is passing the pre-infusion stage, which was not happening before with this Sonobad install. Gonna manually stop the shot right here, and as you can see, we got nice crema coming out of this machine, pressurizing very well. Excellent flow coming out of the group head, as you can see. Nice steady stream coming out. Hot water as well coming out through there, nice and steady. And now we're gonna be testing the steam. We're going to have a little bit of leaking coming out through here of this one because of the reasons that I shared in this video, that this valve does share the exact same hose. As the thermoblock starts to get hot, we get more steam pressure coming out from the one, and like I did say, we got a little bit of the leaking coming out through there, which is entirely normal for these types of machines. There's a little bit of condensation happening there. As you can see, steam comes out very well from the one. Excellent pressure, looking really great, working excellent, working fine. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.